while I was down here, I decided to help out Mel's dad with a couple things. So I wanted you guys to take a look at this. We had a frame underneath it probably about 10 minutes ago. We jacked it up on both sides, had it all nice and balanced, got the frame out from underneath it. Second we get the frame out from underneath it, the passenger side jack collapsed. Now we got...
I got a fuel line. Fuel filter.
Yeah.
That's gonna light up. So what I gotta do here is, it's a braided line. I'm gonna cut it where I can put a compression fitting in there if I want to reuse some of this. Braided.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I'm gonna reuse that braided. So I don't want to cut. Maybe I'll cut it here and maybe grind. This is probably brake right here. Well, this is this is pressure. That's got to be returned.
Yeah.
What else is in here that I don't think I need any of this other. Maybe I'll cut it down back here.
Yeah.
Because they'll burn in a little while.
Yeah.
The fuel lines.
Yeah, they will.
Yeah. See that fuel, boy?
Yeah.
Yeah, some of that. I guess. No, I don't want to let it burn. Let me throw this crap here on it. That'd be a good photo. Yeah, set it right up here and that'll be good. Get back there and burn.
Almost.
I'm trying to. I left an ignition spot back there.
Yeah, I saw it.
It's flared up. These sons of guns. Got an ignition spot in the back too.
Yeah. There we go. I think you got it.
I hope I did. I'm getting mighty dirty.
Whoops.
You know, let it pop back, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, even if you hit them with the grinder, they're still light like that.
Oh yeah. Most of the way through those hoses though.
Huh?
You're most of the way through those hoses though.
I ought to just break them with the
Yeah, just break them with
the cutter pliers.
Yep.
I think so.
There you go.
Yeah, when the flame came up on my face, I went,
Yeah.
oh, I went roll with the punch because I don't need none of that.
I got all that on video too.
Oh boy.
Yeah.
Don't let Nida see it.
Oh, I won't.
Oh, this is a vent, I think. I don't need this at all. And this one I cut there. Yeah, pry bar. I can just. Is that ½ inch? Yeah.
Here's your 13 on there still.
That'll work. I don't know if I need an extension. I'm gonna push it down so I don't have to have an extension on it. I don't know if I got enough. See?
Yeah.
I put that extension. Now get on there. I can't do that when they're on an angle.
Yep, that's what these two lines are.
Okay.
This is pressure.
Right.
This is return. Because it ties into this.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right. So now, I hope nothing else lights up, but I'm trying to make some headway here. Oh, man, I had a booger on there. All right, chunk of metal. Bye-bye. Get a little bit more here. All right, whose foot's getting ready to get hurt?
Are you all the way through this exhaust already?
No, I think there's a little booger on the bottom, but let me see. Let's see what happens here. That coating on there, that paint coating is... I'm through it. It looks like...
Yeah, it looks like you are. I was just gonna say it'll hang up on that if not.
I don't want it to pinch you.
No, I'm good.
All right,
I'm clear.
Chop this dude. Yeah. Oh. I heard a bump and if it sounded like it's over 50 pounds, I start getting nervous.
Yeah. Just remember your dirt's under your foot.
Oh, yeah, just kick it, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, they got a little fuel in that.
Yeah.
Isn't that wild? That's another line. Like you said, they had a bunch of lines, but...
Yeah. There we are.
Oh, we'll have to do.
Yeah, that'll work right there.
Yeah. All right. Let's kick this side out with the motor. No.
There we are.
Oh yeah, that'll do it right there.
Yeah.
That baby good there. See if I can get.
So we're back. Took a little break, ate some food. Now we're trying to get this frame out. I'm under. We're hung up on a little bracket on this side. Just barely can't sneak by on
Is it
this.
hitting the top of the up under here or something?
Yeah, that edge is.
Okay.
And I have a little bracket on this side that pisses me off.
Because the other side went down when the jack collapsed.
Yeah. There we go. We're past it.
All right.
Now straight out.
That working good?
Yeah.